Robots that learn a whole task after seeing it just once are coming fast. This is Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 142. Picture a robot watching you fold a shirt one single time. The next day, it repeats the exact same motions without any further practice or extra examples. That is the core idea behind one-shot learning now reaching robotics. Instead of needing thousands of demonstrations like older systems required, the robot stores the entire sequence from just one example and keeps it ready to use again. Think of it like watching a friend make a sandwich once and then copying every grip, every fold, and every placement later without any reminders. The skill stays locked in permanently, almost like unlocking a new tool in a video game that stays available forever after. This change could speed up robotics the same way image and video tools advanced quickly in recent years. By 2027, many homes and workplaces might see machines handling repetitive physical chores after learning from a quick demonstration. For someone thinking about future careers, this means creative or problem-solving work could pair with machines that take over the boring repeated moves. Right now, the technology is still early, yet you can watch free robot arm demos on Hugging Face to see simple one-shot moves in action. Go to the Hugging Face site, search for robotics examples, and play a short video showing how one demonstration turns into a saved pattern. The personal side is that chores you do today might one day be handled by a machine that learned simply by watching you. Here's the thing that makes this different from older robot training. Older methods needed hundreds of practice runs until the numbers matched up exactly. One-shot learning treats the single demonstration like a complete recipe that the robot follows step by step. It stores the hand position, the speed, and the final placement as one fixed pattern. If the cup or shirt changes slightly the next time, the robot still matches the core parts that stay the same. That stored pattern acts like a blueprint rather than a loose guess. Once saved, the robot can combine several blueprints to handle longer tasks without starting from scratch each time. Over multiple demonstrations, it simply adds new blueprints on top of the old ones, keeping earlier skills intact while new ones stack. The stacking process is what allows capabilities to grow quickly once the first tasks are locked in. You can think of it like building a personal library of moves, where each new book stays on the shelf and can be pulled out anytime. That library grows without erasing anything already learned, which is why progress can accelerate once a few skills are in place. Meta's smart glasses are also gaining attention because they record video and audio while looking like ordinary sunglasses. This makes quick notes or live captions easy, but raises questions about recording happening without people noticing. A free app called Zuckoff was created to detect when these glasses are nearby by picking up their wireless signals. Go to your phone's app store, search for Zuckoff, and test it in a busy area to see how detection tools work. The app shows when signals appear so you can think about what you would or would not want captured around you. Nevada recently approved paid robotaxi rides from Uber, Tesla, and Waymo. Starting soon, people in parts of the state can hail self-driving cars that charge for rides just like regular taxis, but without a driver. This moves robotaxis from testing into actual paid service and shows cities creating rules for AI on the road. You can watch live robotaxi feeds on YouTube or check the Waymo app in cities where service already runs to see the maps and safety features. A recent poll asked whether people would trust a humanoid robot priced around $20,000 with household chores. The same discussion mentioned cleaning services at roughly $30 an hour, giving a direct way to picture daily life when machines handle repetitive tasks. Young people are already using the live version of GPT as an always available confidant for advice and support. Non-tech teens have adopted it quickly, showing how AI is becoming part of everyday emotional life even without any coding background. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network, links in the show notes. This show comes to you from the Nara Network. If you want another sharp daily briefing, Unintended Consequences has you covered. True stories of good intentions that backfired. All our shows are free at naranetwork.com. New to the network? naranetwork.com start here picks the right daily briefing for you in about 2 minutes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.